Bibidi bidi badi tatu ta 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 ti ta pi pet pet. Allora, allora, comment? Ciao. En fait, je vais faire turn to egg et puis stop brush fx. Ça me paraît pas mal. Ah oui, je voulais faire ça aussi. Je voulais faire chicken controller. Ouais, c'est pas si c'est controller ou animation ça. Sprite, animation. Ça va pas être assez clair. Add attack hitbox. Hitbox animation. Il y a collision box. Like this. On va commencer par ça. C'est vite fait. Alors, ce que j'avais fait, par exemple pour lui, c'est position is active scale. Donc, hop, position. En fait, plus simple que ça. Puis là. Ça c'est bizarre, il me semble qu'il faut que je le modifie aussi. On va garder des... Ok. Scale probablement aussi. Wet. Donc là on arrive là. Ti. Donc pour l'instant elle est inactive. Ok, et puis là, ici on peut dire que toi t'es active. Je vais revenir là juste. Là j'ai déjà la position. On va faire un truc comme ça. Est-ce que... Faut que je juste réfléchisse à la hurtbox. Ça veut dire que si on se tape les deux en même temps, moi je perds. Enfin ça dépend. Ah si je peux... Ouais, je sais pas. Bon je vais tester. Seek and destroy. Alors, si on fait ça et ça, on a ça, li 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 li. Ok, jusque là. On va remettre une clé, position scale, et puis on va désactiver. Et puis on va mettre sur mode ça quoi. 1, 1, 0, 0. Est-ce qu'il y a vraiment besoin de l'interpeller? Du moins qu'elle est plus active franchement. Ok. Qu'est-ce que ça donne? Ouais, ça marche. Et moi j'arrive à la toucher. Ouais. Ok, bah ça a l'air de bien marcher. Est-ce que ouais, j'arrive à l'éviter, hein. Sauf si je suis trop près. Mais là, ouais. Si je fais ça. Hey yo! How are you, eccentric? It's hard to avoid though. Have to be very quick. It doesn't go far enough. Well, what is this? I'm wondering if I'm changing this via the animation and the script. Is it at start? Or when the attack comes? Yeah, it's probably when the attack is played. Yeah. Hmm. So by calling play animation or advance, it forces the set active value. Manually advance the animations by the specified time. So it has to be active. There was no errors when the hitbox was not active with the animation. It's just From the moment I changed it in the animation, I get this error. So I don't know where to fix the issue, here or in the animation. It's probably this first frame. Let's check if it's true or false, but I think it's true. Scarecrow. Oh. Oh. Okay. Can I do something like set call deferred? Set deferred? Thread group. Call deferred thread group. Operate save. Call deferred. And then what? Method. Oh, so it is disabled like this. I don't get it. Call method on the object during idle time, always return null. Okay, and for the parameters, it's after this. Okay, it's a bit weird, those strings everywhere, but let's try it. So it would be enabled like this. Let's try it. No. Like this? No. Collision shape 2D. Disable is not a... Disabled. Exists? What is he saying? It has to be a method, not a var. That's why. So it's probably set disable or something like this. Set disabled, okay. Like that. Yeah, that works. Okay. Okay. Right. So now that is fixed, the chicken can hit me. And I can hit it. I was thinking of modifying the egg throw direction. Because it's a bit weird when you hit it from one side and it goes the opposite side. So let's do this. Actually, I can push this as it's done. What has changed here? Oh, I've colored the air forward attack for the cat. I've changed it actually. Before it was those dark brown animations frames, and now it's this. I can show you. Now it's this. It's either forward or upward. I'm still not 100% satisfied, but it's probably the direction I will go. I've modified also the smoke when it lands. It's less visible now. It's still a bit too big, but it's better. So yeah, we can see the difference here. Those frames have an outline, a black outline, and it is fully opaque, while now it's a bit transparent without outline. So everything is good except this. Fix this bug. Cool. So this is done, and okay. Air forward. I think I'll modify it slightly before pushing. And the other thing is this. So let's do the egg direction first. Here. So I'm the egg. Something like this. Oh, I need to remove this line. Yeah. Yeah, it seems to work. Let's wait. Yeah. So now it's always the direction it got hit, which feels more natural. Cool. So this is done too. Where is it? Oh, I haven't made a task for this, actually. Okay. So let's write the command directly. Chicken color. Factor egg row direction is now going weighted to hit region. Okay. What's next? Turn into egg effects, air forward attack. So let's modify the air forward attack. Don't want to spend too much time on this. cat is here. Just want to test quickly something. Yeah, thank you for not looping. What? Ah, it's me. Okay. Okay, it's better. Let's try it. It hasn't been updated. Why? Chicken sprite? What does the animation looks like? Oh, it's not chicken. It's me. It's the cat. Okay, it's better. Okay. That's better. Let's keep it like this for now. Yeah, I need to modify the smoke too. Where is it? Frames. So I need a new color for it. I'll go with this one. Let's check. So that's for the smoke when dashing. Oh, it hasn't been changed? Why is that? Oh, it's in a separate scene, I guess. This one. Wait, where is it? It's there you go. It's not an sprite file. Interesting. So I'm not using an spread file for this animation. And I probably should, because for the sake of doing always the same thing, and it's not very handy to export in PNG somewhere. And so it's the v4, I guess. Don't want the background layer, only visibles. And let's create a texture for it. Folder empty. It's in layer. Sprite. Actually, I could use the same one. Wait a minute. How is it configured? Here. Same as scene. Cat. Okay. Same as scene. Cat. That should work. Let's check. Okay. Funny, but that's not what I want. Hmm. No, I don't know. I think it works only with an animation player node. And I don't have one. Because it's already an animated sprite 2D. Oh, oh wait, I can do this here? Where's the dash? Let's try it. No. Or maybe I don't need this at all. How do you remove it? Or is it the wrong name? Before? No, it's the V4. Oh, it's not dash, it's dash FX. Why is it called dash? Weird. Yeah, it works, okay. It's reversed though. Yeah. So if I take this and do a... Wait, no. Just my drawing that is not consistent. Let's try. I'll have to redraw it, I think. The smoke effects. Okay. So that's done. Maintenant, j'ai deux trucs que je peux faire. Bon, trois. Et deux qui concernent du dessin, plutôt de l'animation. Et un du code, plutôt. Donc, qu'est-ce que je fais? Now I have the choice between two categories of things. One is drawing and animations, and the other one is coding. Any reference? This one is a mix of both coding and animation and drawing. Okay, I think I'll go with the code one. It's probably not a long task. And I want to see the result, if it's a good idea or not. Because the situation now is when I trigger an attack in the air, I have two attacks. One is forward and the other one is upward. And I've decided that with the upward attack at least, when you land and the attack is not finished, you are like stuck in the animation until it's finished. So it goes like, this is the upward animation, okay? But if I start the animation while being close to the ground, what do I do? Should I interrupt the animation or let it go? And in this case, it's weird to let the cat moving horizontally when the animation is not finished. That's why I've decided to let the animation finish and the cat can't move until it's finished. Like this. Okay? And I think it's okay for this attack. But for the other one, this one, I'm not so sure. I think it's weird, actually. Because of the position of the attack, it's like it's floating on the ground. It doesn't work. So for this one, I may have a different behavior, which is interrupt the animation. And that's what I want to test now. So it's in forward attack here. Yeah, oh, actually it's handled in the parent. That's why both animations have the same mechanics. I wait for the end of the animation before switching. And that's what I don't want for the forward attack. So I probably need to move this from the parent to the child and have a different one for the forward. Donc en fait, là j'ai la transition entre l'animation d'attaque et quand on arrive au sol qui est faite dans le parent, dans R attaque. Et c'est pour ça que les deux ont pour l'instant le même comportement, que j'attaque en avant ou que j'attaque en haut quand je suis en l'air. Donc ce que je vais probablement faire, c'est remonter le code qui est dans... Pardon, descendre le code qui est dans le parent, dans un des deux enfants, puis l'autre enfant il sera différent. Alors ouais, c'est ça. Donc en fait tout ça, everything goes into the child upward attack, like this. Okay. Here I connect to the signal in the enter. What else is heard? It's for... Okay, that doesn't change, it stays in the parent. So quand on se fait taper, ça reste dans le parent. Parce que c'est appliqué pour peu importe qu'on soit en train d'attaquer en haut ou en face. Donc je pense que là, alors ça je peux le déplacer. On va mettre dans les transitions ici. Ok. Donc, si je teste ça, if we test this, I have to remove the chicken. It will always attack me. Let's remove this. And this one goes there. Yeah, so it still works for the upward attack, but now I need to change the forward attack. Donc là, on a la même situation qu'avant pour l'attaque vers le haut, ça marche pareil. Et maintenant, ce qu'il faut que je fasse, c'est forward. Elle a une transition vers... C'est là où j'hésite. Vers qui je transitionne? euh... J'ai peur qu'idle, ça me coupe ma vitesse. Je vais pas vraiment... En fait, il faut que je détecte si je suis en train d'appuyer sur une direction ou pas. I need to test if I'm pressing a direction or not. So idle is when there's no inputs, right or left. No, wait. How is it called again? Input? Can't remember. Or is it in player controller? Yeah, it is. Okay. It's called movement input. Okay. Is. Oh, it's not a vector? Sorry. It's me not knowing how to code an equality. Okay, I think movement input is a vector too. Let's check. Yeah. Okay. So in that case we go to idle. Let's check if it works. Ah, I see what's happening. So it's not idle, it's... Can I go to move? Actually, I need to go to the false state when the animation is finished. I need this. Where's the... Sorry, it's in this one. I need this too. Like that. Cool, okay. Yeah. Idle is when I hit the ground, so yeah, I need to first test if I'm on the ground or not. So there's two possibilities here. Depends actually on the move speed, the velocity. Not really. If I pick idle, I'm not sure in the enter function of idle I check. Let's check. See. Oh, there's no transition. Je me demande si lui, le grounded state, quel parent idle, walk et tout ça. À l'entrée, il devrait faire déjà un check. Ça me permettrait de faire une transition sur grounded directement, puis c'est lui qui choisit. Sinon, ça me fait dupliquer du code. Sinon, ça me fait rentrer dans idle d'abord. Puis après, grounded, il va regarder dans ses transitions. Si, nanani, nanana. Hmm. Je vais déjà tester grounded, voir ce que ça donne ici. Je crois que c'est comme ça qu'il est. Ouais. Voir ce que ça donne ça. Là, j'ai le même comportement que pour upward attack. Quand je fais un switch state, ça interrompt pas le. Comment ça se fait que j'ai le un petit ralentissement? C'est grounded qui fait ça? Non. Je vais remettre le debugger de state. Et on va enregistrer, voir ce qui se passe un peu. Ok. Donc là on est au sol, mais il s'en tape. Il attend que l'animation soit finie pour changer d'état. On passe en grounded, qui passe en idle. Pourtant je vais être considéré comme on floor là. C'est parce que j'ai... Alors si on break ici. We only break at the end of the animation it looks like. Do we? No. Let's make another one with 2 breakpoints. Is it me or it looks like it's landing and then a few frames later it consider it's grounded? I can't really see what's happening. Here. Oh, but I have a direction pressed. Okay. What's happening? Yeah, the record is too short. Let me remake another one. Maybe the breakpoint breaks the recording. Yeah. It actually works when you don't move. Animation is cancelled. So that's what I want. I don't know why the smoke is coming every time. Ah, no, it's not. Okay. Depends on the 8 normally. So it interrupts the attack animation, and that's cool. But not when I'm moving. That's the issue. See? That just okay. And if I do this, yeah, it works. Okay. That's what I want. Cool. And this one is not interrupted. Cool. Oh. Let me have a quicker recovery for the egg to turn back into a chicken. Is it on the egg state directly? I guess. Duration is 5 seconds. Maybe just for the sake of testing, 2 seconds should be enough. I just want to check the direction where it goes, the egg. It should be where I hit it. Yeah, like this. Okay, I hide a dab because it went the other way, but I think it's because I've just landed behind it. Like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it's fine, I guess we are done with this. Let's push. I'm wondering if I should take all this, the connection to the player, because most of the time that's what I do. I listen for the animation finish callback and do something based on this. So this is something I should probably move above, up in the parent class, and just override when needed, or use it when needed. Because it's always the same thing. It's check animation name if it's my animation name. And here I could just call another reading method function something. Would be cleaner. Less code. I'll add this as a task. It's not something very urgent, but let's write it down. It's in state, I guess. I call this state machine. And I guess I have a similar task somewhere. I'll check after. Animation player, add a wrapper script on the animation player to handle animation loops, signals and stuff. Add a wrapper script. I'll put this here and we'll check later. Okay, so this task is done. Let's quickly review the code. So I'll remove everything from the parent class, the air attack state, and move it down into the upward state. You see this code is everywhere. The connection to the animation finished. It's here too. Okay. So that's done. Then turn into egg effects. Okay. Okay. Fit. It actually comes from this picture. I should actually put this before. Makes more sense. But it's not an FX actually. Okay. So what I could do, let's see the explosion. Okay, we're in here. Mhm. Shift M. What is the feather color? Is this one? This is the same. Maybe I should use this. And this. Keep the feathers color for the feather. So it's this one. Not sure. Hey, Mostel J! Welcome in! Thanks for coming. Hello, hello. Fine. I'm doing fine. And you? I'm developing a 2D platformer game. It's my first project with Godot, this game engine. I come from the Unity world, and it's the start of the project. It's a mix of Mario Kart, Super Mario Bros. And for the combat mechanics, it's a bit slower. It's a bit like Elden Ring, if you've played it, or Blasphemous. If you have a fewer enemies, but they are a bit harder to defeat. So for now, I have the character controller, which is the cat. You're playing as a cat. And he can attack. He has two attacks on the ground. He has one attack forward in the air and one attack upward in the air. He can like ledge grind. He can dash too. He can do stuff like this: wall jumps, ledge grab, climb. Sorry. And I've started 3 enemies. The cuckoo one up there, which has 2 attacks. The cones. And mallet attack. I have a chicken here, and if I get too close, yeah, it's attacking me. I can attack him, and it turns into an egg. And I have a few seconds to smash the egg before it comes back into a chicken again. And yeah, this one was the first one I did for testing. It's my first time I do pixel art. Really. I mean, I've tested the software. I'm using Sprite, and I've done like maybe 2 drawings with it, and yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I feel comfortable with the tool. Thank you. And I have a to-do list. Thanks for the follow. I have a to-do list to help me manage the project. So that's basically all the tasks right now. The ones that I'm going to do, the one in progress, and the ones already done. And today I've tackled a few tasks like bugs and animations, and now I'm doing the transition from the chicken to the egg. So this guy, when I hit it, it turns into an egg, but before that I need a transition before going to this. So that's what I'm doing now. I think my cat is waiting for something. And as I know him and all the cats in the world, I think it's food. Come say hello to the chat. Thank you. So I'm streaming almost every morning, if you're interested. And I post a quick message on Discord. If you use Discord at all, you can just subscribe here. You can see projects of other viewers too. Let me check if he has food or not, actually. Oh, you don't have food. Let me show you to the stream. So that's the one interrupting the stream. I'm working in the area of game development. I actually worked in my previous company, my previous employer. It's called Dreamscape. What can I show you? So the first time I've worked with them, I was the developer of this experience. I worked in VR, in virtual reality, and we've recreated the whole old town, downtown of Geneva, the city where I live. And the company I worked for has invented a system to be multiple players in VR tracked with markers on your hand, feet, etc. You have a headset, a backpack, and you can see each other. You can choose your avatar, and you are tracked with cameras, etc. Which nowadays is very common, but at the time it was they were like pretty ahead, like maybe the inventors of the system. Not the camera, but the whole tracking with the SDK, etc., etc. And yeah, the idea was to make an experience like it was 15 or 20 minutes long. You can go into the experience up to 4 players, and let me show you maybe. So you equip, and that's Geneva from 1850. And you visit basically the old town in those old cars. And actually we've worked with a school, a very known school here in Switzerland, a technical one, which who has created the replica of the car with hydraulic system to make it moves according to what occurs in the experience. So Unity, I use Unity for all the programming and animation stuff, and we had a connection between the Unity experience and the real car that moves depending on the road, etc. And you had perfume being thrown at you, so you can smell like horse perfume, or horse poop, or the sea lake, all the smells, the cannon powder. You have explosions in the experience, so it was also driven by the experience, the mechanisms. And you have like fans that make wind, all sorts of things, vibrating plates under your feet. So it was a very cool experience. It took like 1 year to do it. We were a team of 10 or 10-ish. And you finish in a balloon like this, where you go up in the air and you see the whole city of Geneva. So that was the start, and then they've opened a center in downtown Geneva. It's like a theater where you can book your experience. You have like you can pick between 3 or 4 different experiences. And some experiences are like this, some others are taken from IPs like Men in Black, Dragons, etc. And yeah, that's it. So they are specialized in VR. So I mainly worked in this area actually, virtual reality and augmented reality. Oh, it was in 2019. It's already 6 years ago. And I've stopped working for them 6 months ago, I guess. And now they are working for universities in America, where you have classrooms all equipped with headsets, but much lighter than the one you saw. We don't have backpacks anymore. They don't have trackers on the hand and feet. It's all now artificial intelligence that detects. I would like to be a game dev for a living, and I'm in between jobs, and I'm a teacher too. So yeah, That's it. So I spent a few hours teaching programming and game programming, especially in a high school here in Switzerland. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, on Unity. For the teaching part, it's in Unity. Um, it's been like 15, 20 years I'm working with Unity. Um, and I heard of Godot a few months ago, and I was like, it could be interesting to learn something new, like a new language. I've chosen GDScript instead of C Sharp. A new tool, a new engine, plus the fact that Godot is free and open source uh, um, hooked me. There are some decisions that Unity made that which made me a bit uncomfortable, maybe marketing wise or business wise. And I tend to switch all my tools to open source tools from since a few years now. So Godot was pretty much aligned with this philosophy too. And after testing it for a few days, I thought it's a really cool engine actually. Yeah, Game Maker. Okay, I've never used it, but from what I've heard, it looks like a good pick. Cool. You know, it's funny because it's maybe my favorite cartoon, the old Alice in Wonderland. But it's cool. I like the cat. What is this? A magician or some character in front of it? Cheese Quest. Ah, so your mouse, or it's a mage mouse. Okay, got you. Ah, okay, I see. Hey, it's very cool. Good job. I like the fur. So, what are you, a developer, an artist? Okay. So if you have demos or videos, don't hesitate to post it like you've done on the channel. I always love to see projects. I'm wondering if there's one way easier than the other coming from dev to artist, or I'm not sure there's one that is easier. Oh, I've made 2 loops. What have I done? Okay, that's enough for the test. Let's integrate this into Godot and see how it works before going into more details. Uh, so we need a new state. How should we do this? Oh, it's an effect actually, it's not... Oh, we have an issue here. It won't work actually. Damn. I forgot the egg was moving when we hit it. It won't work. Let's try it. Hmm. It's a bit weird. Yeah. Don't hesitate. Nah, maybe it works. I'm not sure. Billy bobbing. It's in the Show Me Your project, Eccentric. Yeah, it's here. So I need to reuse the system I've made for the... I've made a system for particles or effects that are not attached to a character. It's just the one I used for the dash effects, for instance, this one, the smoke, which stays on place. It's not moving with the character. So I need this for the chicken too. And I'm not sure it's very handy for now. It was the first iteration on this idea. So how does it work? I have a local effects and a burst effects factory. And I think this guy should be outside of the player. Should be usable from anywhere. It's pretty cool what you've done, Eccentric. Even if it's AI generated for some part, it's you're on the good rails. So this factory. See you, Mosta. Thanks for Chatting. So the whole idea of this burst effects factory is to instantiate some effects visually that are not tied, not moving with the origin of the effects. Most of the time it's a character, either the player or an NPC. And as I've created first for the player, but now I see I need it for NPCs. Just wondering if I should keep this in the character and duplicate it for each NPC, or have a more general service tool that could do this. No, I think it's probably the best way. I should remove it from here and make it as a general service you can call, use from anywhere, from anybody. Yeah. It's one of the first scripts I've made within Godot, so now I would probably do this differently. It's not bad, but it's a bit too specific to be easily reused elsewhere or by someone else. These kind of things are not good. This neither. And this is okay-ish, but not ideal. I can probably rewrite it completely. So basically we need something that could accept either a sprite animation or a complete scene and instantiate it somewhere and destroy it when it's done, or I think using scene is a good solution, because then the utility, all it has to do is to instantiate it at some position at some times, and then the rest of the logic is handled by the scene itself, which has been instantiated. So it's up to the scene to destroy itself when it's considered it has to be destroyed, etc., etc. So I could use the global stuff here. Or I could make a simple static utility like those. Yeah, I think I'll start with this. It's very simple. That should do the job. But probably I'll create another class because it's not really utils, it's more coupled with the game logic. Yeah, maybe I should not I should not think too much about it, and let's go here. So we have something like func instantiate. Actually, it's just instantiating a scene. And I need a position. Yeah. So I wonder how you do this. Is it just instantiate or? The scene's node hierarchy triggers child scene instantiations. Like, okay. First we have a signal. Okay. If passed to instantiate blocks edits to the scene state. Edit state instance. Edit. Okay, cool. Okay. And we need to add it to the tree, I guess. Yeah, wait. I need. So. So let's add a parent, which is a node, and then the scene and the position. Okay. Let's make it static. Oh, you have to be placed before, okay. So don't even need this actually. We'll see. Okay. Is it called into egg? I don't remember. Yeah. I could have something. No, it's okay. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let's test. So chicken, its first state is peck. Maybe do the test here. Utils. No, I need a resource. So actually, let's put it in the right place. It's in a herd where we go to the egg. So here, I need a resource. So it would be export var. Oh. Okay. Oh, forgot to give it the scene. Yeah, it's not the correct sprite frames. It's not very handy. Yeah. Okay. Let's turn that into a simple node and add a sprite 2D and an animation player. And let's call this yeah. Let's start closer to the chicken. Or let's bring the chicken closer to me. So it can't be assigned to an objective type. Oh yeah, okay. What's it called? Wait. Node to this, sorry. Okay. Do we have... It is there, but we can't see it. And it's playing actually. Or maybe the position is wrong. Yeah, it's probably at 0, 0, 0. Wait, what is happening? Let's see. So from this one, oh, I forgot to change its position. Wait, there's no position? Because it's a scene. What does this? Returns void. Okay. Yeah, it kind of works. So, I need to remove the first frame. It was just for reference. And where is the floor? So we should be... Oh, the shadows should disappear. But that's not the issue, it's not... Uh... Oh, okay, I see. Needs to be higher, actually. What's the position here? Minus 17. Okay, we're good. Okay, that works. So, I need to remove the loop and the shadow. Uh, Actually, let's do it the opposite way. Starting from the end is it easier? So something like this. And now I do this. Yeah. It's okay. Why is it still looping though? Okay. We need to destroy this at some point. Why is it not disposing? Animation. Oh, there you go. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. So now instead of queuing free, I should dissolve the thing. Or I could just dissolve in the animation actually. No. Let's use the shader to dissolve. Interesting. Hmm. Could use this. Should use this actually. Just call the dead function actually. Even easier. Or die, should I call it? Yeah. Okay. So we don't need that. We don't need this. Just die. Where am I? Wait. Oh, I'm not into the state. So I don't have the character controller, do I? Maybe I should move those two functions in a utility tool. And just get a callback from when it's done instead of queuing free the object. So let's do this. New tails. I'll have a static func, die or dissolve maybe. More appropriate. Dissolve sprite. So we need the sprite. Let's call it speed. And can I add a callback here? A callable, callback, callable, something like this. Never used it. Let's see if it works. It does not return anything, but at the end it's callable call. Does that work? Let's try. In here, let's try to call it utils dissolve sprite. Where am I again? Chicken into egg. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't matter now, just for testing. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Test. So can I have a bank test? Let's see if it works. It works. Cool. So in the utils, I need to do what I've done in here. But it's if static, it can be an issue. Can be a problem. It should be an array of a collection of dissolving sprites, in case where multiple objects are dissolving at the same time. Which will probably happen. But I can try on one sprite and then adapt, refactor the code to make it available for multiple sprites at the same time. So let's make it static for now. Static func dissolve sprite. Yeah, we actually don't need this, do we? No, but we don't have a tick. Yeah, I don't think it's the best solution. Let's go back in the controller. Here we just we'll just call the callback, I guess. And we should call this start dissolve. Or dissolve start. And here instead of this, you can pass in a callback. It's not callback, it's callable. And here we say callback, sorry, call. Like that. And that should be done by someone else. We don't necessarily destroy the object once the dissolve is finished, so it should be up to the caller instead of being hard-coded here. So the Q3 should be made here. Destroy. Like this. Okay. Let's see if it still works on the egg after fixing those things. What's wrong? Dissolve sprites. Oh, what have I done? Oh, wait. It's not this. How to do this? Should call this one. Hello. Okay. Like that. This one doesn't exist anymore. Oh, I need more time to smash the egg. Oh, but let's see. I think I didn't destroy the good object, the proper object. Yeah, should be character controller. Is it like this or cues this node to be deleted at the end of the current from the return? Okay, unlike object free, the node is not deleted instantly and can still be accessed before deletion. It is also safe to call queue free multiple times. Okay. Checking node will be deleted any of the friend will be freed after all the deferred calls. Okay, let's try it. Wow! And it works. Cool. Okay. I think it's a good solution. So now if I want to use it here, I don't need this. And on animation finished, I call but I don't have the correct controller. Should I pass it as in the constructor? Or for now maybe no. No. Okay, let's do this. Ah, on peut pas. Oh, can't do this. Oh, I guess I have no choice but to. Yeah, no, it's weird. It's weird. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say about it. Initialize. Oh, there you go. Okay. Why is it not here? So that's supposed to work. Let's try it. Yeah, it doesn't exist. Oh, no 2D. Oh. Wait. So it doesn't work. Should I go like get script? Does it need a name? No, there's only one script per node, and then initialize. No, nil. Whoa. Wait, how is it? Okay, let's remove it and check what's happening. Yeah, it has no script attached. No. No, there are no scripts here. Why is that? Ah, I see how it works. No? Init method expected one argument. Ah, okay, no. No. I don't get how you do this. Godot instantiate. Oh, packed scene, maybe. Maybe I should instantiate it as a resource instead of a... I don't know. Provide access to operations and check that can perform. Wait, there should be a solution simpler than that. Let's try a breakpoint here and see if I can access the script attached to the instance. Member steps, so that comes from the script. Okay, so I can just do instance dot and it should work. That's right. Don't even need to export it actually. Why do I need it? Oh yeah, to call the... Wait. What am I doing? Don't even remember. Like I need to make the thing disappear when its dissolve is finished. Okay, so here we need that's it. So I'm back on track. I need the character controller dot dissolve start with a callback, which we'll call destroy. There you go. Let's find destroy. And here we need the character controller Q3. Right? Let's try it. Okay. So far so good. Oh, what happened? I dissolved the character controller instead of the... So why do I need the character controller anyway? Let's go dash. Wait. Oh. Oh, jeez. How should I call this? It's basically playing an animation and dissolving and then destroying the object. So it's a burst effects. Did I already have a script name burst effects? Plus I have a burst effects factory. Yeah, that's the old way of doing it. So let's create a new script. Burst effects. Okay. Has an anim name, steps, an animation player reference, character controller. I don't even know if I need this. Oh yeah, okay. No, I need it. Why? Why? Actually, I do not. Hmm. I don't remember. Is it like this? Maybe I don't need it. I would like to finish this before going. I need to go at 11:30. Or maybe even no later actually. The quarter to 12. So let's put it together. We instantiate this scene, and on the ready it is connecting to the animation. When it's done, it flips the flag to true, is dissolving, so we need a process somewhere, we don't have it. So process, if is dissolving, dissolve. Done with this like this. And once it's finished, we call. We don't need this callback actually. You can directly free queue the thing, or should we? So we don't need that anymore. Set shader is in another instance. Okay. So this is because there's a sprite. Let's call it sprite. It's really weird. So where's the effect? Animation found. Okay. So how do I pass the animation name when instantiating the thing, I guess? Oh no, back. So it's into egg, if I remember correctly. Oh. Wait, where is it? Let's see. So we even enter the thing. We do. So we should connect, right? Is the solving is true? We don't even need this actually. And animation player anim name is into egg. Do we have an into egg? Yes, we do. And so why aren't we going here? Oh, is it cold? No, don't need this. Oh, what am I doing? Of course I need it. Like that. There you go. Okay, it's been destroyed, but I didn't see the... Yeah, it's been destroyed, but I didn't see the dissolve, actually. Let's see if we break if we break here or not. Yeah. So what's current dissolve threshold? It's 0. So we should go here. We do. Okay, until it's... Now it's been incremented by 1. Yes, it is. Oh, it's already 1. It's instantly 1, actually. That's the issue. How does this shader work? And noise texture is not there. Okay, so should be 0 at start and up to 1, so the steps are too big. That's one issue. It should be like 0.01, I don't know. At start, threshold should be 1. Yeah, it works. I have a double jump with the egg, I don't know why. Okay. I don't need this. Be right back. Yeah, so it works, but I'm not very convinced of the whole system. I probably need to refactor it at some point. Because it's not very handy to do all the steps. I need to create a scene, give it here in the appropriate state. For the scene I need to give it a name for the animation to be played. And what it does, yeah, it's not very complicated actually. It's 2 steps. This one the only thing it does is instantiating the scene. and putting it at the given position. And then the scene itself plays the animation and dissolves and then destroys. So no, it's not that bad actually. I'll see later if I need something more robust or more scalable, reusable, but it's not that bad. Okay, let's test it again. Yeah, I want to see something. Don't know if I can test this, but I think it's too quick. No. Okay. I think it's cool. It's good like this. Oh, interesting. Oh, I need to deactivate this. That's the old way of doing it. Okay. Who is calling this again? But why does it sometimes be called and sometimes not? On radio of Burst Effects Factory? Whoa. Let's try to reproduce the bug. Yeah. Dash? Ah, it's for the smoke behind the... Emit effects signal. Wow. So maybe here, instead of doing emit effects signal, I should just call the new utils function to instantiate the scene. That should work. Utils instantiate scene, and is there a dash effect something? I'm in the state. I'm in dash state. So it's for player dash burst effects resource. And what is this one? It's the dash. Again. What is he doing? It's not working, the editor. It's bugging. Okay, I need to get prepared. But I'll keep this bug for this afternoon or tomorrow morning. Probably this afternoon. I don't want to leave this like that. So the actual bug is in the player controller dash error related to new instantiate fx created for chicken egg transition. Okay, let's do this in priority. And as usual, thanks for coming. If it's not done yet, you can follow the channel, you can subscribe to the channel, you can also use Coffee, there's a link. I'll see you probably at least tomorrow morning, probably this afternoon. Merci d'être passé. Comme d'habitude, si le stream vous plaît, vous pouvez follow la chaîne, subscribe ou utiliser Coffee. Et sinon, on se retrouve peut-être cet après-midi, sinon demain matin. And in the meantime, let's raid someone. I like the picture and the title, No Code Friends, and in the thumbnail you can see an editor for coding. Let's read this guy. No Code Friends. If I can. Yeah. Alright, buddy. See you. Have a good one. Thanks for coming.